Hi buddy, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share you how to master speaking Chinese in a short amount of time. In the previous two lessons, I shared how to pronounce and write the six simple voice. If you have watched them and done the practice, congratulations. From now on, the lessons will feel much easier. There is a Chinese song, 万事开头难. It means the difficult part of anything is just getting started. Alright, let's dive in. In this lesson, I will show you the pronunciations of 4 consonants, each in addition to. Plus, we will combine them with the 6 simple vowels from earlier lessons to form Chinese characters. Yes, that means you are about to start writing Chinese characters. Excited? Or maybe feeling a bit nervous? I have prepared a chart with the writing strokes for these 4 consonants. Find it, download, and print it out. And practice after watching this video. Let's read and write those 4 consonants together. By the way, consonants in Chinese don't have tones. In Mandarin pinyin, they are read with the first tone by default. Keep that in mind. Let's do it. The first, bo, it sounds like bo or boring in English. To write it, draw a half cycle and rewrite. Then a vertical line on the left to close it. Let's read it. Bo, bo. Second, po. It sounds like pork. To write, draw a half cycle on the right. Then a downward vertical line on the left to close it. Looks similar to bo. For the sound, you push air out of pop your closed mouth open. Read po, po, po. Third, mo. It sounds like model. The shape looks like double doors. Write a vertical line. Then a slightly curved horizontal line that goes down into another vertical line. Repeat once. Repeat once. That's more. Read it 3 times. More, more, more. Fourth, four. It sounds like 4. This one is simpler. Draw a upside down umbrella hand like this. Then add a short horizontal line down. Read it 3 times. 4, 4, 4. Great job. Great job. As I mentioned at the start, we will combine those consonants with the vowels from the last 2 lessons to form Chinese characters. But let's not rush. Chinese is fun, but going too fast will feel overwhelming. In this lesson, we will learn just the 2 Chinese characters. First, combine the consonant bo with the vowel a. It is the first tone, and you will get bo a ba. This corresponds to the character ba, which means father. Specifically, daddy, not farmer, father, not this father. There is a more respectful word for that, which I will share in the future lesson. Ba, alone doesn't sound very warm, right? So Chinese people often say 爸爸. The second 爸 is in a natural tone without the first tone. Try it quote to your dad. Second, combine consonant more with the vowel R. It is the first tone, and you get more ma. This corresponds to the character ma, meaning mother, just like 爸爸. We say mama with the second ma in a natural tone. It's warm. Offer fascinating way to say it. Try it out. Call your mom using this new word. In next lesson, we will start writing Chinese characters. Before that, I will explain how Chinese characters are constructed. For over 2,000 years since ancient Chinese started writing, characters have been built using special fake structures. Back then, our ancestors wrote animal bones, and the characters were more complex. Archaeologists have found examples like this. Don't worry, modern Chinese characters are simplified and much easier. They were made up of basic structures. I have posted a structure chart in my YouTube community post. Find it, download it, and trace the structures before the next lesson. Please do this practice in advance. Congratulations, you have made new progress in your Chinese learning. Keep practicing and improving. I'm Mango Daozhang, a novelist teaching spoken Chinese, and our motto is 永不放弃. See you next time.